Nutrition. The organisms take in food and utilize it to carry out different life process is called nutrition.
What is heterotrophic nutrition?
Heterotrophic nutrition. The organisms depend on other organisms for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition.
Example?
Example, human beings.
What is electric fuse?
A safety device installed in a circuit to protect electric appliances from damage due to current.
What is solenoid?
A cylindrical coil wire which shows magnetic properties when electric current passes through it.
What is dispersion of light?
The splitting of a light from the sun through a prism in 7 colors is called dispersion of light.
The splitting of white light.
Yes.
What is speed?
The distance covered by an moving object in unit interval of time is called speed.
What is uniform motion?
The type of motion in which a moving object covers equal distance in equal interval of time.
What is indicators?
Indicator is a substance which helps us to identify whether the given solution is acidic, basic or neutral with the help of change in a color.
What is organic acid?
Organic acid. Sources.
Define organic acid.
Organic acid, the acid which found in animals or natural things.
Sources of lactic acid.
Lactic acid, milk and corn.
Oxalic acid.
Tomatoes.
Sources of tartaric acid. Sources of tartaric acid.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yes.
Sources of citric acid.
Citric, lemon and orange.
Sources of acetic acid.
Vinegar.
Ozone depletion leads to
Skin cancer.
which of these are renewable source of energy? Coal, petrol, biomass and natural gas.
Natural gas.
A defect in which a person cannot see nearby clearly but can see far away objects.
Hypermetropia.
A scale to express the magnitude of earthquakes.
Richter scale.
A substance that conducts electric current in its solution.
Electrolyte.
A device is used to measure atmospheric pressure.
Barometer.
The frictional force that acts when an object rolls over a surface.
Rolling friction.
A sexual reproduction is not seen in
Yeast.
which of the following can be drawn into wires? Sodium, potassium, copper and mercury.
Copper.
Which of the following organisms help in keeping the forest clean? Herbivorous, carnivorous, decomposers and none of these.
Decomposers.
Rainwater seeps through the soil by the process of
Dripping.
objects do not give out lights are called
Non-luminous object.
which is known as the evening star.
Venus.
Which is a simple machine used to draw water from a well.
Pulley.
Marble is an example of which type of rock?
Metamorphic.
The tornado appears as a funnel with the speed of wind that can extend up to
3 km per hour.
300 km.
Yes. 300 km per hour.
In which of the following is a wire with a low melting point is used?
Electric fuse.
Which of these is an organic acid? Formic acid, malic acid, sulfuric acid and acetic acid.
Sulfuric acid.
The chemical formula of potassium carbonate.
K2CO3.
A substance that dissolves in another substance is called?
Solute.
What is opaque?
Opaque. The object which do not allow light pass through it is called opaque.
What is fermentation?
Repeat, sir.
What is fermentation?
Fermentation.